Okay, in the previous videos we talked about two things. The first thing was formal system. Okay, and the second thing was mathematical structures. So the formal system itself is some synthetic construction. It has a formal language. It has axioms and their production rules. And in a synthetic way, without any meaning, we generate new theorems one by one and so on. But there is no any meaning. And why they do this? Because at first there exist in our heads some mathematical structures. They exist, they created in our heads with the time, and at some point we want to express them. And that's why we create this formal theories, just absolutely mechanics without any meaning. But the mathematical structures itself has meaning in our head, and we want to express them. So we want to connect these two things. On the other hand, we have formal theories. On the other hand, or formal systems. On the other hand, we have the structures, mathematical structures, pure ideas, and they connect them. And the theory which study this connection is called a model theory. Okay. Interesting that also exist natural systems. So actually we have three things here which are connected somehow. So they have model theory which study the connection of the formal system with the structures. Structures is some abstractions in our head, and formal systems are just some synthetic language with rules how to create new sentences. So I think it's like a good way to express something like computations, how to do something without any meaning. And also we have a natural system. So one thing lives in our head with the semantic and the meaning. One thing is a natural system which presents somewhere in the world. And I think they of course connected. These abstractions, they somehow connected with reality because we found these abstractions in a reality. Okay. And maybe the reality also talk to with us with these abstractions. And on the other hand, we have these synthetic rules in which we actually express our abstractions. So reality express abstractions. Abstractions express reality, and the formal system in a mechanic way which can be understood by a computer express our mathematical structures, our abstractions. Connection of the three things. And also I think here we have somehow a order or flow. At first the abstractions come from natural systems, then they go into our head, there they think about them as a mathematical structures, and after that they go into the synthetic rules, and from these synthetic rules they go inside computer. So here we can see that they go from some complex structure into less complex structure our head, and then into the less complex structure into the formal symbols, and then it can be go to some primitive such as computer. So some movement of the from the complex system to more primitive system.